Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're going to be using SSH private key files again to use in our connections through SSH. So remember that if you go to your Jenkins data folder, or outside of the container in this case, and you look for your CentOS 7 folder, let's go to that folder, you are going to see that remote key file and that remote key.poop file that we created. So we're going to be using these files again because we already created them and we already configured them. So let's use them again. Now, there's an important point in here, and it's that these keys should be accessible from the Jenkins container because now Jenkins needs to read these files. So how are we going to do it? Well, it's time to start learning how to share files between a container and between your host. Cool. So let's go to the main directory where we have our Docker Compose file, and let's take a look to our Docker Compose file. So let's look at the Jenkins section in here, and as you can see, we're telling Docker to save all the content of /var/Jenkins home inside of the container to our local folder, which is Jenkins home. So let me show you. If we do an ls here, you're going to see your Jenkins home folder in here. So if you type an ls, you're going to see a bunch of files in here. So let's go inside of the container exec-ti jenkins bash, and if you type cd, for example home, and then you type pwd, you are going to see that this is the directory inside of the container where all the information for Jenkins lives. If you type ls, you are going to see